Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marita Ayag Pitiluna from Bohol, Philippines. I am 36 years old, widow, and I have 3 children. Their ages is 13, 7, and 5 years old, and we are a Roman Catholic. I am the eldest, and I am a high school graduate. I have work experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 4 years, and I serve 4 members of the family, including 1 child aged 5 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of the child, take and pick her up from school, helping her homework, cleaning the house, preparing and cooking meals, do the laundry, ironing, grocery, marketing, and so on. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my children's need and to have savings for my children's future. To my future employer, please hire me because I am kind, trustworthy, God-fearing, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.